Okay guys, and welcome. In today's video we're going to be continuing on with the 300 Blackout reloading series. Right now I have 50 pieces of brass cut to the book length, if you will, and that book length was 1.363. So we have 50 pieces of brass cut to that. Doing some research on that on the internet, everybody was saying that you need to cut your brass to 1.350. So I also have about 16 there cut up for that. To see if there is a big difference in the two. I also noticed in the Hornady book that I have, it's kind of conflicting information. On the Hornady online site, they're saying 1.363, but in the book they're saying 1.358. So there's a little bit of discrepancy on the trim to length. So we're gonna test both. If we have to go with the shorter length, that's why I went ahead and left these long, then we can easily do that. But I wanted to try both. Okay, we picked up some Hodgins H110 powder, as well as the new Hodgins CFE 300 Black. Okay, the bullets that we're going to be using for this reloading series are we have here, these are the 30 caliber Hornady. These are Full Metal Jacket bow tail, 150 grain. We're going to be using some of those. We're also going to be reloading some Sierra. These are the Game Kings. This is a 308 diameter, 150 grain bullet as well. So we're going to test those 250 grain bullets. Then when I was at Midway USA, I seen that they have these factory defect bullets. When I checked out these factory defect bullets, I couldn't really see where there was a factory defect, but thank goodness there were. Okay, and what these bullets are, based on my notes here that I've been taking, these are the Hornady GMX bullet. They are the 165 grain bow tail. A copper alloy. They're not saying the complete copper mix, but they're saying they're a little bit solider than heavier than copper. They're a copper zinc alloy that has been proven to shoot cleaner and less fouling and more consistent. So because of that, and they were on a quarter price, if you will, because they were the factory defects, I went ahead and bought a couple of those. So those are the components that we're going to be using to reload these 300 Blackout. I think what we're going to start off with is just the Hornady bullets. I like to buy Hornady bullets in bulk when I can for my other applications. So therefore, if the Hornady bullets work, they're going to be our main go-to bullet anyway for shooting paper. That's all we pretty much do here anymore is shoot paper. So therefore, we're going to take those out and we're going to test them. We're going to test to see if the case length makes the difference and find out what's going on. I also have some factory 300 Blackout. These are 150 grain. I'm trying to keep it consistently with the 150 grain theory, if you will, because that's the bullet that I really hope shoots well in this particular firearm. Then we're going to see about what else we're going to load for. But right now, that's what we have on hand. That's what we're going to load for. That's what we're going to test out and try out. Make sure we get good function out of our firearm. It's starting to come along pretty quick now. It took a little bit to get the brass cut up, with all the other stuff going on. Getting ready for nationals and things like that. But anyway, here it is. We're one step closer to shooting, reloading, and shooting some 300 Blackout. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Thank you.